Hi, Angie here with Survival Garden Seeds. Let me show you our Italian vegetable collection. There are 6 varieties of vegetable seeds in here to grow and enjoy. Each packet has detailed instructions on the back for growing and seed saving for next year. We can promise that they're all heirloom seeds, so we can put the seed saving instructions on the back. This Italian vegetable collection was put together with our friends from Italy, all of their most popular vegetables that can be grown here in the US. There is a selection of their favorite vegetables used in so many delicious dishes, so you can get the flavor just right. How fun will it be to make your own authentic Italian cuisine from scratch, straight from your own garden? This collection will help you provide an exquisite variety compared to the typical American garden. The seeds have a wide nutrient-rich, savory, and colorful base as well. Get your Italian vegetable collection today so you can enjoy growing this amazing variety for yourself.